What kinds of food do you like to eat?
I enjoy eating a variety of foods, but my favorites are palak paneer and dosa. I like meals with lots of vegetables, protein, and flavor.
What kinds of food do you like to eat? What is your favorite meal to have at home?
My favorite home cooked meal is pasta with a vegetable tomato sauce. I find it simple, comforting, and healthy.
What is your favorite meal to have at home? What are some traditional foods in your country?
Some traditional foods are masala dosa and palak paneer. There's certainly no shortage of tasty options.
What are some traditional foods in your country? Do you cook often?
I cook meals at home several times a week. I find it relaxing and enjoy being creative in the kitchen, trying new recipes and techniques.
Do you cook often? What dish do you cook best?
The dish I make best is palak paneer. I've perfected the spice blend over the years. It's one of my specialties.
What dish do you cook best? What are your favorite fruits to eat?
My favorite fruits are strawberries, bananas, and mangoes. I love them because they're sweet and delicious.
What are your favorite fruits to eat? Do you prefer home cooked meals or eating out?
I think both have their place, but nothing really compares to home cooked meals. I try to balance eating out and home cooking.